Okay, here is the button.
Question number 6. What is your current philosophy? What is your perception on the nature of reality, on the nature of existence? Do you believe that there's some kind of cosmic meaning to reality? Do you think that it's meaningless? What are your thoughts?
Thank you for this question, Eric. No philosophy, just living. There is no philosophy. Philosophy belongs to the mind, I believe, and the experience is beyond the mind. So for me it is just living, just experiencing, without trying to interpret things. I see things, I see life, I live life, I experience life, but I don't try to interpret it. Because any interpretation would be wrong and any philosophy would be confining, limiting. The moment you get into philosophy is the moment when your life becomes dead, I think. So I don't have philosophy. I just live. Even my own understandings, my own realizations, I don't take as philosophy, I don't take as something that is real. Even what I understood, what I remembered, I don't take it as real. For example, I remember the things from my previous lives. But and people ask me, do you believe in previous lives? And I remember things from my previous lives. But what I answer is that I don't know. I remember things from my previous lives, but at the same time, previous life exists. And at the same time, they don't. At the same time, the only moment is this moment, here and now. And the rest is just memory, dreams, something. For example, in my years in Lithuania, I had these memories from my previous lives, and I remembered why I came to this earth. I remember that I came to this planet Earth, to this incarnation, voluntarily, to uplift human consciousness. And also I remember that these times are the times of transformation, times of very strong transformation, the times we're living now. Is that my being here is very important. So I came here with this mission, so to say. But but then I left for the Himalayas. I left for the Himalayas, and I said to myself that I'm going to the Himalayas. I will never go back to people. I don't want to be with people. People will not hear me. I don't like people. People have hurt me. I don't want to have anything to do with people. I mean, I knew that I'm here. Supposedly my mission is to uplift this human consciousness, and I'm savior, avatar. But I said, fuck it. Is it my responsibility? I don't want. And if it is my responsibility towards God or somebody to fulfill it, to uplift this human consciousness, then get out. Fuck you. said, what have you done for me, God? Nothing. I have to meditate. I have to do all the things. I have to suffer myself, so I do what I want. and, and I decided to go to the Himalayas and to the caves, and I said I am not going to uplift no human consciousness. I'm not going to teach anybody. I'm sick of people. So this was my decision. I went to the Himalayas. There I lived many things, many transformations. One transformation was an intense transformation, and that was the birth of my name, Dolama, the mother of compassion. It is a long story, but I wanted to go to the caves and never come back. Never come back. I would be levitating by now. But something in my heart didn't let me to do this. I felt like mother that wants to leave her children. I felt like I want to go to the caves, I want to do this, but I felt like I just cannot. I felt like there are some people that I could help. I felt that there are some people who are living what I have lived. And like I said, there was nobody to help me. There was nobody to help me, and I had to undergo some really hard times and really insane times, and there was nobody to help me, nobody to tell me if what I'm living was, if I was still sane or not. It was very hard for me. So I thought that when I was in the Himalayas that there could be some people who are living what I have lived, and I could help them. That there could be some people who are really searching for something real. And even though if it is only one person, it is worth to come back and to dedicate my life just for this one person. For this I came back. This is why I got my name Dalama. This is why I got my tattoo Dalama. Another long story. Because supposedly Dalama is a mother of compassion, Tibetan deity. But not Dolama, Dolma. Dolma. My tattoo had to be Dolma or Dolma. But this fucking guy, this fucking Indian who made me a tattoo, he did it wrong. Instead of putting Dolma, he put Dolama. Imagine that. And this tattoo is for entire life. So in the beginning I was like, wow. But then I said, okay, if it is Dolama, okay, it is Dolama. I took it. 8 minutes. I don't have philosophy. Supposedly now my philosophy would be to be the Lama, be mother of compassion, the one who doesn't judge you and the one who loves you. This is what I mean by saying mother of compassion. But I don't feel confined with this. I live my life. I don't take it as my responsibility, as my burden, as my philosophy, be the Lama, shine. The moment I would try to shine, the moment I would try to be the Lama, would be the moment when that would become my responsibility. And the moment it would become my responsibility is the moment when I would start suffering doing it. I would start feeling like it is my duty, it is my responsibility, and there would be no desire, no lightness, no love in it. Because love cannot be forced, right? I have meditated a lot. I have seen a lot and I have transformed. But transformation and philosophy is not the same thing, because philosophy belongs to the mind. Philosophy you can express, and transformation you cannot express with words. My philosophy is me, what I am, the way I am. The way I am, this is I shine. In the same way as all of us, we shine what we are. So, what I have found, what would be my philosophy, is what I am. And this is what I'm shining on YouTube and the people I am with and everywhere. This is so I think that answers your question, Eddie.